So we unboxed the Evolution table saw from Screwfix. That's the main difference. You will see right now my lovely little friend. Okay, what we got? This manual, probably with some Allen key, some codes which you can scan probably and see the installation on YouTube. What else we have? Some books. Let's open this one. So inside what we got is blade guide for the dust collection as well, and yeah, it's look a little bit different than in the the black model from Evolution, which is black and don't have this funny extension here. I don't know if you see, because the normally is just this part, and some people complain, I see on some of the review, that if you put something bigger it's actually stuck, so you have to grab it, lift it up, then you can push the wood. With this one, as you can see, I'm not even going close to the blade. I just can grab this one, lift a little bit and push the wood. So in this small box here we have the blade guide, one of the angle arms, which you can go with the different angles and you can push forward and backward. So that one. What else we have? Two wheels for the folding table. That is a good one. It's coming standard. Is for holding the material, which is in a safe position, let's say. Is pushing down, so it's not wobbly, it's not going out of your hands. Very handy. Few screws, another screws, and another ones, kind of butterfly bolts. So this is probably to put together the table. And metal and plastic screws and plugs. So I'm guessing that is for the the frame of the trolley, which is under the saw. So it's not sharp, and the pipes when they cut it is kind of sometimes it's sharp. So probably this plugs is just to keep you safe, your hand, so you don't have to hurt yourself. Quite handy. It's most common sense. So that one is out. What else we have? This is probably part of the trolley. So we put it here. I don't have that much space in my shed, sorry. And now the whole baby, as you can see, is different color. Like I said, it's orange. The most expensive from Evolution is coming in a whole black color. So that's the motor, that's the blade with all the mechanism. We still have to put a few things, probably like a guidance for the blade. Let me pull that thing away. What else we have in a box? On one side we have that probably where's the blade going, some plastic. This is quite good touch, nice. Is the pusher for when you're pushing the material, the wood, whatever you're pushing anyway, and it's with a small kind of measuring sign. I'm not sure if it's centimeters or inches. It looks like inches, I guess. Yeah, I think one side, I think it's both of them is just inches. So this is one of the things which is coming right now. I have to take this one.